Happy Wednesday. I'm here at our finished project in Mount Greenwood, 10800 Sacramento. That's the property here. It's on a great block, and I'm going to take you for a walk inside and show you the finished product. There's still a couple of little finishing touches going on here, but it is going on the market in a matter of hours. So here we've got finished living room, refinished all the hardwood floors, installed a bunch of recessed lighting, of course all new trim, paint everywhere. Here's the kitchen. We originally did not plan on redoing the cabinets, but ended up doing them all. So we've got all new cabinets, stainless appliance package, and I'm really happy with the countertop. It's a really cool quartz countertop that they picked out and a matching backsplash behind it. So I like that a lot. All three bedrooms are done. Went with the 2-panel arch doors in black hardware. Nice modern look. Fancy looking light fixtures. Bathroom is totally gutted. They're coming back today to put all the hardware on the vanity doors there. But got the new tub surround and everything. The biggest challenge we had here by far was the waiting for the electrical inspections. They're just so backed up, and it took them forever to get out. I think we waited like 6 weeks to get all our electrical inspections done. So it really did hold up the project. But overall, it's about 4 months. We're 4 months in, a month and a half waiting for electrical inspections. Not too bad. All right, let's take a walk downstairs. Fancy motion activated light there. So all new flooring here in the basement, of course, our new electrical panel. And what you can't see here, which is outside, well, you can see the new AC unit there, but over here, they ended up having to trench 2 new circuits out to the garage because of our overzealous electrical inspector. But what are you gonna do? So here's the basement, got like a large family room here, and then there's one bedroom at the back, a laundry room, full bathroom, storage closet. This in here is our utility closet, a new furnace and water heater. Those are keeping me cool right now. Here's the bathroom. This is a custom sized toilet, so we're waiting on the lid to come in for that. But otherwise, ready to go in here. Sprayed the ceiling black, added a bunch of can lights. Here's the laundry room. Nice big laundry room, plenty of space there. And then the basement bedroom over this way, which for a basement bedroom, it's pretty good size. It has 2 walk-in closets. You got that one there, and this one here. So the project is done. It's going on the market here, like I said, in a matter of hours. Happy with the end result, and you know, our punch list is going to be getting done here while the showings start. So hey, if you're interested, let me know.